Okay guys, today we will now we will try to cook this crisp cut fries. Okay. Temperature and time. It should be 22 minutes. Okay.
No, that 1 minute. It's not that one.
Hi guys!
Welcome to Tintin.
Oh no, where's Tintin? Tintin is missing.
Here I am.
Ah, you're
Okay.
missing.
Today we're going to do the unboxing of this Nutricook
Air fryer.
Rapid Air Fryer.
And beef.
You're missing. You're missing.
Okay, we're going to open it.
I'll open it. Whoa!
Okay, now we're going to open the box. What we got here is the instruction user guide.
We're gonna open this later.
Yes, we're going to open it later because we're going to test the air fryer.
Air fryer.
Okay, now we're going to open it slowly. Excuse me. Excuse me. Now here it goes. Okay, we're going to put this down.
There's no more. No more.
And this is the Rapid Air Fryer. We're going to open it slowly.
Okay.
You please help me. Okay. Pull it out, Ate, please.
Wait. Slowly.
Okay.
The wire. What happened?
Something's happened to the wire. There's plastic because the...
Okay, this is the air fryer. We're going to remove the tape.
Air plus fryer is air fryer.
Yeah, very good.
Oh, good job.
The other side. Then put it up.
To remove the safety tape and then
Oh wow.
this is inside the air fryer. Okay, we're going to remove this because afterwards we're going to test this air fryer.
Oh, Daddy.
Yes.
Did you buy this from Ikea?
No, we bought it from Lulu.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah. Lulu Hypermarket at Almashaf. Okay,
We're
this is how
gonna-
it looks
we're
like.
gonna do. Hi guys, we're gonna do. We'll cook some chicken. Then
Yeah, later.
we're gonna
We
be
will
the
test
master
this.
chef.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
We're going
Me too, I'm
to
very hungry.
cook some chicken, so we're going to remove this. Before you get started, you have to read the caution below and at the back. Okay.
Yeah. I will also have.
So later, now guys, before we start to cook, we have to read the user guide, wherein we will check how it will be operated. Actually,
And
this.
you can cook chicken.
Yeah. What do you
What
want to
else?
cook?
What else? You can also cook. What's this? I don't know. It looks like a chicken yellow.
It's sambusa.
Sambusa.
Yeah.
And you what else?
Fries.
We can cook fries here.
Rice.
What else?
What else?
We can cook chicken. We can cook fries. We can cook potato
Oh,
wedges.
Pizza?
Pizza.
We can even cook pizza.
Many more.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But I don't know. Oh.
And before we have to start, we're going.
Oh, we can
Before we have to
also
start
cook.
cooking,
Wait, Daddy.
What?
Do you know this?
I think there's an apple pie.
Just two kinds of instruction manual, right?
Yeah, but this one's Arabic and that
It's Arabic
one's
and this one is in English.
Mm.
So this one is. Okay. There's a warning here. Warning: the air fryer should not be used to boil water. This air fryer should never be used to deep fry foods. So meaning when we start to cook, we don't have to put any
Liquid.
oil and liquids in this equipment.
And don't put something that's tiny inside, like
Yes. So before we start, we're going to remove this sticker here because this portion will get hot during cooking. Okay. Now here, this one also will become hot, so we have to also to remove this one. Okay. We will put it here so that it will become informative to us. Okay.
You can cook all of the foods that you want.
And then after this, we will bring this will be the digital display of this equipment. Okay, for here maybe we will try it later on the kitchen how to operate this.
Guys, we can also put it with apple pie, pizza, potato, French veggies. We can try chicken or French fries.
Oh, very good. Okay, we will try it later. Okay. What we will do later is we're going to cook some chicken.
Yeah, my favorite.
Yummy. You're excited?
Chicken.
Okay, so we're going to bring
chicken
this.
Or what? What kind of chicken?
Oh, we'll see later.
Okay.
It's a surprise.
Okay, guys. Before we start, we have to review first the air fryer parts and overview. Okay. This one is the digital touchscreen. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the air fryer basket.
That's
Okay. This one is a tricky part. Can you please move on?
Basket bucket.
These two can be separated. Okay. If you want to separate these two parts, you just have to slide this transparent one and press this arrow. If you press this one, this arrow, this inner basket will be separated from this outer basket. Okay. I'll show you how. Just press this one, press like that, and then pull it up. Okay. That's how to separate this two things. Then we can wash this separately. This one and this one. But this air fryer, you don't have to wash it with water. You just have to wipe it with
Wipes or tissue?
just wipe with tissue. Okay.
cloth.
Now before cooking, we'll try to rinse this first with small water to clean this thoroughly, and then we will try to cook. What we will try to cook first is French fries. Okay.
Yeah, and then we're gonna cook chicken.
Okay.
Then we're gonna cook. There's no apple pie in here. You
Okay.
can cook the apple pie with that.
Yeah, but we will try to cook first. What we will try to cook? French fries.
After that,
Chicken. Okay.
Because she's hungry, that's why she keeps asking.
Okay. We will
eat
rinse
this
this first with
chicken.
water,
Yeah.
and then we will try to cook French fries. Okay. Okay, guys. Today we will now we will try to cook this crisp cut fries. Okay.
it's hard.
Yeah.
It's frozen. Put this inside. Okay, now we will try to cook our French fries. Okay, here's the French fries. It's now inside. We will press this is the power supply button. Okay. Now we will try to increase the temperature. Okay. Oh, that's a preheat. If you press this, this will be the menu. The preheat, this is the preset menu. This is for the shrimp, this is for the ribs, or for the meat. This is for the chicken, this is for the fish, this is for the steak, this is for the cheese, this is for the pizza. Okay. Now we will increase the temperature because we're going to cook the fries. Wow.
I love fries.
You love fries, okay. Okay, now we're going to increase the temperature. Wait, we're still navigating to the menu. Okay. And then the time degrees, and this is for the French fries. Okay, 22 minutes. It's based on the manual here. French fries. Temperature 200 degrees Celsius. Air fry time 22 minutes.
Oh.
Suggested check time 6 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Now since everything is set, we will press the start button. Here is the start button. Press now.
A few moments later.
Okay, now guys, we're going to check our Crisp French fries. We're going to press this pause. Okay, once it is paused, you slide this one. Okay, and then here it is, guys. Things already cooked. Okay, isn't it yummy and crispy? That's right. Be careful, guys. This is hot. Yummy. Now the next thing that we're going to cook is the chicken. Okay, I'm going to transfer this. By the way, guys, once you pull this basket inside this air fryer, I would like to let you know that this part are all hot. This one, and this part here. Okay. We're going to try to cook this chicken. This chicken had been marinated for around 1 hour. Okay, we're going to put this one part first.
And we already put some seasoning on it.
Oh, yeah.
You can put whatever seasoning you want to. Depends upon your taste.
Can we put it all four or what do you think?
Nope. I think
3 pieces? Possible? Place the chicken inside this basket and now we're going to put this inside the air fryer. Okay. You have to press the power and then we're going to select the preset. Okay. We choose this chicken. Okay, and to choose the chicken now, we're going to press the start button.
start cooking. After 10 minutes, we need to check it and turn it over.
A few
Okay, now guys,
moments
we're going to
later.
check our chicken. Okay, first, we have to press the pause button. Okay, now we're going to open it, but we should be careful because I heard something inside that maybe it's wow, look, our chicken almost done halfway. Okay, we'll try to turn it over. We'll check the okay, now we had already turned over the chicken and we're going to put it back to the air fryer. Okay, push it up. Okay, to resume cooking you just have to press this play and pause button. Okay,
Let's wait again.
It's done.
It's done.
okay, now it's done, so we're going to check. Okay, ta-da! Wow, look
Wow.
how yummy it is.
So that is wow.
So yummy. Can I check? I think we need another. Okay, guys, let's check our food. Guys,
Second batch.
this is the second batch. Looks so nice. Okay, maybe we'll just finish the cycle and then that's done. Ready cook.
So guys, this is the chicken.
My chicken.
We're going to eat chicken.
Excited and hungry now. Thank you guys for watching.
If you like my video, watch more videos on my next cooking and boxing vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Next
Thank you.
vlog. Bye.
Come, let's eat.
That's it.